Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, what we got for you today? Well, we've got a pen from my recent pen haul. You've seen it very briefly, but let's go into a little bit more detail. You can see it comes in this lovely sort of green suede box with this gold band going all the way around it. And if we open it up, there we go. We've got the Waterman to the back, and you can see, actually, I think the font there looks very interesting. It looks quite sort of futuristic. Inside the case as well, what we've got is a little instruction booklet. There we go. Tells you how to fill the pen, the pencil, no doubt. It's got all these addresses to the back there. So we've got the original sort of instruction booklet, and yeah, as you can see, it's a set. It's a pencil, and it's also a fountain pen. So let's close the case, pop that to one side, and let's concentrate on these. Now, what we've got here, as I say, is the Waterman CF pencil and fountain pen. Now, the CF pens and pencils, they came in numerous different colours, different trim, etc. And this particular one is, well, sort of taking a word from the Parker range. I call it the Flighter, i.e. it's this brushed stainless steel, and to the top there you can see it's got the gold clip there, a nice stylized clip, and this slight angle to the top there. As I say, this is the pencil. If I actually unscrew the cap to the top there, you can see the lead comes in and out. If I open the cap up, there we go, we've got the rubber, or for you people over the pond, the eraser. And you can see obviously that's never been used. The set, in my opinion, superb condition, and the pen as well, in my opinion, has never been used. Absolutely stunning set. So the fountain pen, again, the sort of stylized gold clip there, the angled finial there. To the end there we've got the gold, if you like, button to the end of the barrel, and all in all, as I say, absolutely superb. Now, the CF model were made in England around about the early 1960s through to, I believe, sort of mid-1960s, and then in England they stopped making them. But I do believe later, after that period, they carried on making them in France, I believe, to sort of the 1970s. And this particular one, this model, or this example, you can see it's got Waterman to the cap there, to the bottom of the cap, and then if I move it slightly, hopefully you can see it says CF. And then if I turn it all the way round, and you'll see to the barrel imprint reads made in France. So this example, as it says, made in France. So we've got the CF, as I say, lots of different variation, lots of different colours. Very collectible pens, these are becoming very, very collectible. If we take the cap off, let's show you the pen. It's sort of little, numerous different angles. Now let's take you up to the section, because the CF has a lovely little touch, and as you can see there, the section on these pens have these sort of corresponding sort of metallized lines going down the section, as you can see there. And obviously the sort of the gold versions, them particular sort of lines are actually in gold. So it's a lovely little touch, a lovely design. Okay, and then let's take you up to the nib. Okay, let's keep it nice and still. Let's give it a little bit of a twirl so you can see that sort of line there. There's a sideways view of the nib, and the nib there you can see a lovely little nib, and as you can see it's actually a 18 karat gold nib, 750, and it's got this little symbol to the bottom there. Let's give you a little bit of a different angle because they are very, very attractive pens in my opinion. Let's take you underneath. There you go, you can see the section there underneath. And the beauty about this example is that unfortunately a lot of these pens, this sort of metallized section here towards the nib, are actually very badly corroded, and as you can see with this one it's in superb condition. As I say, in my opinion, I don't believe the pen has been used. So as you can see, superb condition. Another nice little touch with this pen, there we go. If I open it up, you can see it comes with the original converter. Let's give it a twirl there. Now these converters are very difficult to find, and it's still nice and supple. So we've got the original Waterman converter with this pen. As I say, they're very difficult to find. The CF, I think it stands for, is it cartridge filler? Although as we can see we've got this converter, so this pen will also accept the Waterman cartridges from that period. So very, like I say, very rare to find the original converter on these pens, but there we have it. A lovely pen to hold, nice and comfortable. Unfortunately, sorry, there's not going to be a writing sample because, as I say, in my opinion, the pen has never been touched, never been inked. So what I'll do, I'll leave that to the new owners, whether they decide to actually ink the pen and use it, or whether they decide, well, to put it into a collection and admire the pen. So yeah, I think it's a collector's grade example. But yeah, what we're going to do, let's find a new home for it. Somebody, either way, whether they use it or just simply admire it, somebody will be happy for many years to come. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoyed showing them to you people. Don't forget, as always, leave a comment below. Don't be shy. And don't forget people, although we're beginning to sort of come out of it, maybe, depending where you are in the world, yeah, we still have to be a little bit careful. So please, wherever you are, stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.